In the heart of a black hole's shadow, an accretion disk shines as matter spirals inward at near light speed. Historically, Hawking and Penrose debated information loss, while scientists watched X-ray binaries reveal feeding black holes. Hypothetically, if a planet wandered too close, spaghettified tides would test the resilience of any imagined life. Such disks power quasars that outshine their galaxies from billions of light years, a beacon guiding telescopes to dawn. The lesson for explorers: even darkness can reveal extraordinary physics when curiosity tilts the lens toward the unseen.